Hello, I'm Matthew McCard, and I'd like to welcome you to another video in the Northwest Shoals Community College Student Tutorial Video Series. Each of the videos in this series will provide you with information to help you become a successful online student. Some of the videos will demonstrate how to use instructional technologies used by your instructors in facilitating your online courses. Others will inform you of the online and on-campus support resources available to you and when and how to utilize them. If at any time you have questions, concerns, or need any kind of assistance, please reach out to one of the members of the distance education team. We are committed to providing you with the best possible online learning experience and look forward to helping you overcome any challenges that might come your way. Welcome to Distance Education at Northwest Shoals Community College. In a traditional face-to-face course setting, instructors are able to share important information with all students at the same time in the same place. Obviously, in an online course setting, this simultaneous face-to-face communication is less convenient. Of course, the technology is available to make it happen, but online students often have various responsibilities outside of their schoolwork. These responsibilities are why many students choose to enroll in online courses in the first place. So, without the traditional classroom, how do instructors communicate course content and other relevant information to their students? A learning management system, or an LMS, is a software application or web-based technology used to plan, implement, and assess a specific learning process. Typically, a learning management system provides an instructor with a way to create and deliver content, monitor student participation, and assess student performance. A learning management system may also provide students with the ability to use interactive features such as threaded discussions, video conferencing, and discussion forums. Edmodo, Schoology, D2L, Blackboard, and Canvas are some of the most popular LMS options. The LMS used at Northwest Shoals is called Moodle. As an online student, you will be spending a lot of time in Moodle. Lectures, notes, study guides, quizzes, and tests will all be shared with you through Moodle. So let's take a few minutes to get you acquainted with the software. You obviously already know how to get logged into Moodle, or you would not be watching this video. But let's take a quick look at your login options anyway. First and foremost, you will need your NW-SCC IN number to get logged in. If you happen to lose this number, you can retrieve it by logging into your My NW-SCC account. To log into this account, navigate to the home page and click on My NW-SCC. Then click here, and then here. Your username for this account will be your full Social Security number, and your password will be your 6-digit date of birth. Once you're logged in, click on the Student tab. Underneath the Student tab, click on any of the links and then locate your IN number on the right-hand side of the screen. There are two options to access the Moodle login page. You can either follow the Moodle link from the NW-SCC homepage or navigate directly to nwsccmoodle.com. Your username is your IN number, and your password is your 6-digit date of birth. If you have any issues getting logged in, contact April Cookson or Lindsay Bright. Once you're logged in, you will see a link for every course you are currently enrolled in. Courses will always be made available to you on the first day of the semester. If you registered for a course and do not see a link for it, contact the Distance Education Department immediately. No two courses will look exactly the same, but when you first log in, be on the lookout for a Start Here section and a welcome video from your instructor. There will be an abundance of helpful information included in these two resources. Clicking on the home link will take you back to the page containing links to all of your courses. You can also access these links by hovering over the My Courses tab. One thing that may make your online courses easier to read and navigate is relocating the various blocks on the right-hand side of the screen. By clicking here, you can dock all of these blocks to a tab on the left-hand side of the screen and create more space for the course content. Hover over each tab to see the options within the block. And click here to return it to its original position on the screen. Some instructors will use more blocks than others, but every course will have the administration block, which is where you will find your grades for the course. Now let's take a look at some of the different ways you can customize your Moodle account. The first thing you may want to do is change your password. To do so, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and then hover over Preferences. Enter your current password and then your new password twice, and click on Save Changes. To edit the email address associated with the account, again click on your name in the upper right-hand corner, click on User, and then click on Edit Profile. Here, you have the ability to edit your email address and also who is able to see your email address in Moodle. To attach a photo to your profile, simply scroll down to the User Picture tab and click on this icon. Then, browse your hard drive and select the picture you would like to use.